all this kind of experience is trying to help you to connect to your heart. But think about that. Your heart is belong to you, not belong to anyone else, not belong to either, right? But if even you are the owner, the master, not even able to connect to, who else? That is my question I always ask people. If you are the person who owns the thing, for example, the house, the property, okay, it's under your name, but you can't find the key to open it. What is the meaning? Is it yours? Can I trust you? Right? And the second thing, you ask yourself, why do I have the key? What's going on? And then you're angry. You bang the door, you try to damage the thing. But hang on a minute, that's your property. Why you damage it? Think about that property is your heart. You lost the key. How can other people trust you that you have a heart? How can other people trust and believe in you to share the love with you? And more, you damage the house, you damage the door, you bang the door, which means you hurt yourself. Listen, that's your heart. So delicate. How can you hurt your own heart? And the other person say, oh my God, is this your house? How can you be so cruel to your own house? Your heart. How can you be so cruel to your heart? How can I trust that you will care about the others? That's why we have to relax. We have to figure out, okay, I may have frustration because I lost a key. Okay, I may have anger because I can't find the key and I can't demonstrate to show you this is my house. This is my heart. Acknowledge the emotion. Don't let the emotion control us. Think about it. You bang the door, you damage the door, that's because your emotion control you. If you're calm, will you do that? Of course not. Isn't it? Normal people will not suddenly go to bang the door, isn't it? Right? So that's why we have to acknowledge our emotion, connect to our heart, and understand, how do I feel now? Why I feel that? Okay, acknowledge it, because the emotion, it doesn't serve the purpose. Even I cry, the key will not turn up, isn't it? Tears is not the magic. Unless you tell me your key is formed by a kind of tears crystal. Otherwise, useless. You can express your anger, upset, why it happened, why I lost the key, I'm upset about that. Okay, yes, but remember, upset and all these emotions, it doesn't serve the purpose of finding the key. Finding the key, open the door, has to use here and here. Okay, I have anger. Let my anger release in a healthy way. And then you're feeling good, you come back to the property again and try to see, will there be any chance that I can open the door? Maybe without the key. How is that? Sometimes we're quite stupid. The door never belonged. It's just push. It doesn't require any key, but you keep on saying, oh, it's a key. You don't even try to push the door. Ding! Oh, the door open. Sometimes it's simple, but we just panic because we're just so used to other things, and then we create so much emotion, and then you notice the door is damaged because of last time I did crazy thing. Sometimes we hurt our heart, we hurt ourselves. We do not deliberately hurt it, but we just let the emotion control ourselves. That's why we hurt our own heart. Sometimes, when you have the emotion, release them in a healthy way. Maybe you go back to your hotel or go back to your own house, another house, to think about, Maybe I left the key somewhere else. Maybe I left the key, try to be very safe, under the carpet, under the television, under the kitchen somewhere. You thought you were wise, you thought you were clever, but you don't remember things. That is a problem. So don't let your emotion to control your mind or control your feeling or everything, because you need to quiet yourself. Let go. Leave the space. Go back to another space. And we think, oh, when was the last time I used the key? What was happening? If you're in the emotion, you cannot figure out anything. Trust me. We've been through that. Right? And then later you find out, oh, the key is just here. Look, in the fridge. Crazy. You can never imagine you put the key inside the fridge, isn't it? But sometimes you thought you were clever and safe to put it there. But if you're not cool down yourself, if you're not in a calm state, you couldn't remember anything. But unfortunately, the door in your house is damaged. Okay. That's why we shouldn't let our emotion to control our behavior or our action. And really well connect to your heart. You open the door. So that is a way to connect to your heart and try to ask the universe if next time you want to show the house, the property to other friend, and you find that I can't find the key. You want to go inside your heart, but it's just scared somehow. What can you do? Calm down. Okay, let's see what's going on. How can I do better? So that's all right.